Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of manual transmissions and clutches. If you've ever wondered how these essential components of a car work together, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. The basics of the manual transmission. The manual transmission, also known as a standard or stick shift, is a type of transmission system found in many vehicles. Its primary purpose is to transmit power from the engine to the wheels. Unlike automatic transmissions, manual transmissions require the driver to manually shift gears using a gear stick. Components of a manual transmission. A manual transmission consists of several key components. The main ones are the clutch, flywheel, input shaft, output shaft, and gears. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Understanding the clutch. The clutch is a vital part of the manual transmission system. It connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the clutch disengages, separating the engine's power from the transmission. How the clutch works. When you press the clutch pedal, you're activating a hydraulic or cable mechanism that disengages the clutch. This action separates the clutch disc from the flywheel, interrupting the power flow to the transmission. Releasing the clutch pedal gradually engages the clutch, allowing power to transfer from the engine to the transmission. The role of gears. Gears play a crucial role in a manual transmission. They determine the ratio between the engine's speed and the vehicle's speed. Lower gears provide higher torque and lower speed, ideal for starting the car or climbing steep hills. Higher gears offer greater speed and lower torque, suitable for cruising at higher speeds. Shifting gears. Shifting gears is the process of changing from one gear to another. It requires coordination between the clutch and the gear stick. The clutch is disengaged by pressing the clutch pedal, the gear lever is moved to the desired gear, and then the clutch is gradually released to engage the new gear. Double clutching. Double clutching is a technique used when shifting gears in certain older vehicles or in specific driving situations. It involves a two-step process of disengaging and re-engaging the clutch twice during upshifting or downshifting. While it's not commonly used in modern cars, it's still worth understanding. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to how a manual transmission and clutch work. Understanding these fundamental components can give you a deeper appreciation for the mechanics of manual transmissions and help you become a better driver. Manual transmissions are equipped with synchronizers, also known as synchros. These devices help match the speeds of the gears before engaging them, ensuring smooth gear shifts without grinding or damaging the transmission. Synchros work by using frictional elements to equalize the speeds of the rotating components. Clutch disc. The clutch disc is a crucial component of the clutch system. It connects to the input shaft of the transmission and is sandwiched between the flywheel and the pressure plate. The clutch disc has friction linings on both sides, which engage with the flywheel and pressure plate to transmit power. Flywheel. The flywheel is a heavy, disc-shaped component bolted to the back of the engine's crankshaft. It acts as a rotating mass that stores rotational energy and provides a smooth connection between the engine and the clutch. The flywheel also helps smoothen out engine vibrations and provides inertia during gear changes. Clutch pedal feel. The feel of the clutch pedal can vary from car to car. Some vehicles have a light and easy to modulate clutch pedal, while others may have a heavier pedal that requires more effort. The pedal feel depends on factors such as the design of the clutch system, the size of the clutch assembly, and the type of clutch mechanism used. Clutch wear and replacement. Over time, the friction linings on the clutch disc wear down due to engagement and disengagement. This wear is normal and eventually requires clutch replacement. Signs of a worn clutch include slipping, difficulty shifting gears, and a burning smell. Clutch replacement involves removing the transmission to access the clutch assembly. Rev matching. Rev matching is a technique used during downshifting. It involves blipping the throttle to match the engine speed with the speed of the lower gear before engaging the clutch. Rev matching helps smoothen the transition between gears, minimizing driveline shock and maintaining stability during deceleration. When starting a manual transmission car on an incline, the clutch plays a crucial role. To prevent the car from rolling backward, the driver must engage the clutch gradually while simultaneously releasing the brake pedal. This technique requires coordination and practice to master. Advantages of manual transmissions. Manual transmissions offer several advantages. They provide greater control over gear selection, allowing drivers to match the engine's power and torque to specific driving conditions. Manual transmissions are also generally more fuel efficient than automatic transmissions, and they tend to be more reliable and less expensive to maintain and repair. Remember, this additional information should provide you with a deeper understanding of manual transmissions and clutches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.